Vince here. The Constraint Manager within OrCAD products constitutes the central focus point which allows designers to control the physicality of their PCB design. Constraint Manager can also be accessed from front-end tools, but in this video we will show you how it really is the heart and soul of Cadence design products and how to leverage it to create error-free designs. Accessing Constraint Manager can be done by typing CMGR in the command pane, clicking on the Constraint Manager icon, or by using the appropriate menu command, depending on which Cadence tool you are using. The Constraint Manager has two main elements to it: the worksheet selector tabs on the left side and the Excel-like worksheets on the right. As we see on the left pane, Constraint Manager allows us to set up rules, constraints in a variety of domains, those being electrical, physical, spacing, same net spacing, and properties. The key to unlocking the power of Constraint Manager is understanding and using what we call C-sets, also referred to as constraint sets. There are four types of C-sets: electrical constraint sets, physical, spacing, and lastly, same net spacing constraint sets. The idea behind C-sets is that the user sets up a constraint set once and then assigns it to various entities within that domain of Constraint Manager, thereby saving lots of time and eliminating the need to repeatedly enter the same information over and over. The other factor in unleashing the hidden power of Constraint Manager is in the use of grouping like signals. For example, in this design, we not only have single nets, but also buses, differential pairs, X-nets, and match groups. Match groups can be used to balance like signals within a byte lane to a specified tolerance using a target net. These are just some of the net groupings possible within Constraint Manager. Additional to error markers in the PCB design, visual indicators are also provided in Constraint Manager if rules are met or are in conflict. Red cells indicate that a signal is not routed within the length allowed, and green indicates that all signals meet the rules. While I have only demonstrated small aspects of Constraint Manager, the key takeaway point is that it is a very powerful tool that every designer should learn, understand, and take advantage of. Today's ever-increasing design challenges can be made simpler and shorter by allowing Constraint Manager to be part of your design process. Designing with Constraint Manager is that easy.